Sharanya and you're watching my channel Magical Maths with Sharanya. So today we are going to learn addition of fraction. So addition of fraction is first is numerator upon denominator. So is equal to numerator. For example, is equal to 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. 2 is denominator. Numerator and 3 denominator. So now I will erase this and then I will take examples. So first example is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. 3 is equal to, now I will directly write answers. So now I will, first addition is denominator when same is there, then we do addition is numerators. So here I will do addition first and then I will write directly answers. So first I will do addition. So 2 plus 5. First I will count 5, then I will count 2. 5 and 6 and 7 is equal to 7 upon 3. So is equal to, now second example is also I will erase this. No, for second example also I will erase this. So second example is 1 upon 3. I will write nicely. 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 is equal to, now also denominator is same. So I will now also do this numerator example. No, addition. Not example. Numerator is equal to 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. So third example is so now also I have erased this. And third is our last example. So last example is so beautifully. 5 upon 3 plus 8 upon 3. 8 upon 3 is equal to, now also denominator is same. 25 and 30. I will write here answer. 30 plus upon 3. 30 upon 3. Your like, do like, do share and do subscribe. Thank you.